Welcome to AJ's Learning Center. In my last video, I have given some important formulas on surface area and volume. As a continuation, in this video, we are going to solve some problems. First problem, two cubes each of side 10 cm are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Here, in this problem, they have given the side of a cube, that is 10 cm, and they have mentioned it as two cubes. And one more thing we have to see here is surface area we need to find of the cuboid we need to find. Why they have mentioned here it as cuboid? Because when we are saying about cuboid, the two cubes, when we are joining, it will become a cuboid. So that only they are asking us to find the surface area of the cuboid. So we need to find the surface area of the cube. The formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. L is length, B is breadth, H is height. So to find the length, we are getting 10 plus 10 equal to 20 centimeter. Why? Because two cubes, two length is 10 and 10. So we are getting 10 plus 10 equal to 20 centimeter. Breadth will be the same, 10 centimeter. H is also 10 centimeter. So when we are applying in the formula, 2 into 20 into 10 plus 10 into 10 plus 10 into 20, we are getting the value as 1000 centimeter square. Now we will see the second problem. Three metallic solid cubes whose edges are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter are melted and formed into a single cube. Find the edge of the cube so formed. So when we are seeing this problem, they have given the values for three metallic cubes. And the values for the three metallic cubes is nothing but 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. But in this problem, the three cubes are melted, that is going to be grouped into a single cube. So we need to find the value of the edge of the single cube only. So now let us see. Let the length of the edge of the new cube formed be x centimeter. So here volume of, what will be the volume of the new cube? It's nothing but sum of the volumes of the three metallic cubes. What are all the values they have given? 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is the 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So with that we will getting the answer x cube is equal to 216. Here you can see I have solved it. 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube is nothing but 27 plus 64 plus 125 is nothing but 216. Here x cube is 216. Then what will be x? It's nothing but 6 centimeter. So what they have asked us to find here? Edge of the cube. So edge of the new cube is nothing but 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we will see one more problem. The diameter of the metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The sphere is melted and drawn to a wire of uniform cross section. If the length of the wire is 36 meter, find its radius. First we will see as a diagrammatic representation of this problem. What they have given here? A metallic sphere of 10 centimeter. So you can see a sphere. This sphere, which is having the diameter of 6 centimeter. So this is the question they have given. This is the diameter, which is nothing but 6 centimeter they have given. And this sphere they are going to cut into the uniform cross section wires. For that wire we need to find the radius. Okay. Before moving on to that one, first we need to find the volume of this figure, and then we need to find the length of radius of the resulting thing. Okay. Now we will see. What is the given thing in the question? Diameter of the sphere is 6 centimeter. Then what will be the radius automatically? Radius is half of diameter. So radius is equal to 3 centimeter. What is the formula for volume of the sphere? It's 4 by 3 pi r cube. I have mentioned here, you can see 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now we are going to apply it. Okay, so 4 by 3 into pi is nothing but 22 by 7. What is r? It's 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. We are getting 88 into 9 by 7. If you want, we can keep the pi as it is. So what will be the value of the sphere, volume of the sphere? 36 pi centimeter cube. Next, as a continuation, now we are moving on to the wire. Why? Because the volume of the sphere is divided into wires. So R we need to find. That is the thing they have asked in the question. What is the length they have given? It's 36 meter. Because everything here in centimeter, we are converting this into the centimeter. This is nothing but 3600 centimeter. So then what will be the volume of the wire? What is the formula? Pi r square h. So here one thing we need to note. What is that is, sphere is recasted into a cylindrical pipe. So what we have to find? Volume of the sphere is nothing but volume of the cylindrical pipe. Okay, so volume of the sphere, what we have found is 36 pi centimeter cube. Volume of the cylindrical pipe is nothing but pi r square h. So pi r square into 3600 is equal to 36 pi. When we are solving, r square we will be getting it as 1 by 100. So it is r square. So what will be r automatically? It's nothing but 1 by 10 centimeter. When we are converting into millimeter, it's nothing but 1 millimeter. So what is the radius of the cylindrical pipe we have found? It's nothing but 1 millimeter. Okay. Now we move on to the next problem. A solid iron rectangular block of dimensions 4.4, 2.6 and 1 meter is cast into a hollow cylindrical pipe of internal radius 30 centimeter and thickness is 5 centimeter. Here they are asking us to find the length of the pipe. Okay. So now what are the things given here? The length of the pipe, we had taken it as h centimeter. Then the volume of the iron in the pipe is equal to the volume of the iron in the block. The dimensions of the block, what are the given? They have given for the dimension rectangular block, it's 4.4 meter, 2.6 meter and 1 meter. Okay. So what is the volume of the block? How we can find? L into B into H. 4.4 into 2.6 into 1. We are getting it as 440 into 260 into 100 centimeter. We are converting into centimeter. Now what is the thing they are asking us to find? The hollow cylindrical pipe. What are all the values they have given here? Please note it. R, that is the internal radius. So we are representing by small r. In my formula video itself, I have represented internal radius is r, external radius is capital R. So internal radius is 30 centimeter. Then what will be the external radius? From this, what is the thickness they have given? 5. So when we are adding internal radius plus thickness, automatically we will get the value for the external radius. So external radius value is nothing but 35 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to apply it in the formula. Volume of the iron in the pipe. What is the formula? External volume minus internal volume. External volume is nothing but pi r square h capital R minus pi r square h, that is small r, which we can write it as pi into capital R square minus small r square h. Okay. How we can write into, we are more simplifying the formula as pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. This is the formula you all know. Now I am applying the values. Capital R is nothing but 35. Small r is 30. We have find it already. So pi into 65 into 5 centimeter cube. Now in the question you can see one thing. They have recasted, they have mentioned. Okay. So for that we are finding here. as it is recasted. So volume of the pipe is nothing but volume of the block. So what is the volume of the pipe? Pi into 65 into 5 into h, which is nothing but 440 into 260 into 100. So what is the h value we are going to find here? So pi is nothing but 22/7, 65 into 5 into h is equal to 440 into 260 into 100. So I am taking it all together on one side. So h is equal to, we will getting this value. When we are simplifying this one, you can get the value for h is 11,200 centimeter. We need to convert it into meter. So the ultimate value is 112 meter. Okay, the next one. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted, drawn into a wire having diameter of the cross section 0.2 centimeter. Find the length of the wire. This is a slight variation from the sum what we have seen already. We can see this one. So diameter is nothing but 6 centimeter. Radius is automatically 3 centimeter. What will be the length of the wire? We are taking it as h centimeter. So diameter of the cross section of the wire is 0.2, that has been given in the problem. Radius is nothing but then 0.1. So these are all the given. From that we are getting the values for radius. Since the metallic sphere is converted into a cylindrical wire, what will be the formula? Volume of the metallic wire is equal to volume of the sphere. So pi into, what is the radius? 0.1 into h is equal to, what will be? 4/3 into pi into 3 cube. So when we are solving this one, we are getting the h value as this one, 3,600 centimeter. So what will be the value of h? It's nothing but 36 meter. Okay. So in this video, I have solved some of the problems which will be useful for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel. We will see in the next video. For any queries, you can send me a mail on psgeeta@gmail.com.